He wasn't a general or a statesman. Joseph Plumb Martin was a teenage private whose endurance helped carry the revolution to victory. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Plumb Martin was born in 1760 in Massachusetts. Poor, young, and unknown, he would become one of the most important voices of the American Revolution. At just 15, Martin enlisted in the Continental Army, not for glory, but for pay, survival, and belief in the cause. Martin endured hunger, disease, unpaid wages, and brutal marches. His war was fought with empty stomachs as often as muskets. He served at New York, Monmouth, and endured the winter at Valley Forge, where survival itself became an act of resistance. Martin saw offices fail, civilians suffer, and soldiers forgotten, yet he remained loyal, fighting for a future he might never enjoy. When peace came, Martin returned home poor, wounded, and largely ignored, like thousands of veterans who had won independence but not prosperity. Decades later, Martin wrote his memoir, capturing the revolution not as legend, but as it truly was for the men who fought it. Joseph Plumb Martin reminds us, independence wasn't won only by famous names, but by ordinary people who endured the impossible.